Morning Africa, morning Tanzania. Everyone, today we are going to bring you the latest technology which will help you, every one of you, especially in this. It's camera stand. Most of people are failing to afford the camera stand price, especially in urban areas, but in rural areas there is no even the place to get them. But right now I've brought to you the new technology, and this one is easy. You just use wood and timber to create the stability for your camera, your phone camera, to take a quality picture and a video, just your phone, without you using even a camera. You see, it's easy right now. Okay, let's continue. We'll use a sample of iPhone 13 Pro Max. That is iPhone 13 Pro Max. You can see there I'm drawing. This is iPhone 13 Pro Max, and right now I'm drawing the base. This base is going to be used for make this our instrument. Our instrument stability. So as our instrument will be stable for taking photography. You understand? Yeah, baba, like that. So we are making this beautiful, so it can be well for furniture maker to make our tool. And our instrument is almost already, but this one is the first picture. Let's go to the second one. This is portrait mode. That was landscape mode, but right now we're going to draw a portrait mode. Get ready, this is hot. Okay, we start drawing our iPhone 13 Pro Max, and that's just wood like, and this is iPhone 13. All right, we start drawing our camera. This is a zoomable camera, iPhone 13, 3 eyes. There's buttons, open, power on and volume up. All right, let's continue. And this one is just some woods which will help our camera. Our camera, like the same woods have used in the landscape mode. And this one is only one instrument. I just remind you, my peoples, my fans, this is only one instrument. Okay, right now we are going to draw. This is iPhone icon. We are continuing drawing our base. Yes, this is our base exactly. This base is the same as that one in the landscape mode. So this is one instrument. It's just a matter there. We will have a whole like structure in the one side of our instrument, which will help in portrait mode. Like that's one I'm drawing there. So and our instrument is almost over. You can see how beautiful it is, and this is how it look like. Wow, that base. Wow, look at that iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is sketch, and this one is a real. I have to bring the sketch to the furniture maker. He made this one, and look the way it shines. Wow, with this red color. Wow, look pretty. And this is how it works. People may say, this is a scam. No, it's not a scam. Look at it. Look at it, how it works. Look the way the camera is so HD. Even the selfie, look, this one is selfie, but they look the way the video is so HD. And that is me there taking. You see, even I'm smiling. Wow, that's so cool, my man. Oh my god, HD video. Wow. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.